Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is LG Soundbar with Meridian technology, Dolby audio. This soundbar is 400 watts audio power. You can change it to specific mode, preset mode, clear voice, bass blast, AI sound pro, cinematic, music. So you can change it to specific particular mode you want. What I want to show you is how to hook this soundbar up to your TV. You can connect it to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable, and HDMI. To show you is how to connect it to your TV via Bluetooth. And to do this, what you need to do is once you plug the soundbar and wireless subwoofer on, then the next thing to do is switch it on, okay, and select Bluetooth. And it's showing us now BT ready, okay. Then the next thing to do, you need to switch the TV on. And this is the TV audio. Now go to your TV settings, select the settings. So go to the TV settings. Okay, once you select the TV setting, then scroll down to the sound. And you can see the sound is showing us TV speaker. Select on it. Now use the side arrow to go to Bluetooth device. Scroll down to select device list. Okay, and now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Okay, and here we go. You can see LG S65Q. Select on it, and it's connecting. It's connected. This is the audio. So this is the audio. With, you can see LG showing us LG TV. Okay, so this is exactly how this works. You can increase the volume. You can also change it.
I like to create my own fabric when I'm upcycling projects, so I think that's the plan for this.
So this is the audio. I move this around because I don't want to leave it in one particular place, but this is exactly how this works, how to hook this up
again when you want the
via Bluetooth.
To shop the brands you love.
With this soundbar, you can also change specific mode. This is cinematic.
And we'll send you helpful
this is cinematic mode.
Very pay. Nice and
this is clear voice.
Very.co.uk.
Pets aren't just animals, they're part of our story. Our bedtime guardians.
Our travel companions.
This is sports.
And that's why
this is music. So you can increase the volume.
Animal Friends is here so you can create more stories together. Plus, every pet policy comes with an added purpose, helping us donate millions to animal welfare charities worldwide. Animal Friends, because all good stories...
And when the soundbar is in Bluetooth mode, you can control it with TV remote and the remote for the soundbar as well. So you can control it with both of the remotes when it's in Bluetooth connection. Okay, so this is how to hook this up via Bluetooth. This is optical cable I got at home, so I'm going to show you how to hook this up to your TV via optical cable. But before we do that, this soundbar, the audio power is 400 watts. The total power with wireless subwoofer is 420. The audio power is 400 watts. This soundbar, you can change it to various modes. You have a clear voice using the remote control, so you can change. This is now in bass blast. You can change it to AI Sound Pro. AI Sound Pro. You can also change it by pressing this button here. Just the button underneath the volume. For you to decrease the volume, just underneath you select. This is AI standard. So this standard mode. You can change it to cinematic mode. And this is sports. You can also change it to music. You can also change it to game, DTS visual, bass blast. So this is bass blast. Now to connect this soundbar, okay, to TV, to hook it up is what I want to show you. So to connect this soundbar to TV, I'm going to use LG TV to connect the soundbar via optical cable. And to do this, what you need to do is you need to use the optical cable, plug it into optical, okay, and it's in. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to first of all also unplug the soundbar. Okay, now take this end, this is optical, okay, put it, go into the optical in. This is where it goes. I must say the space is not really enough space for it to go in, but this is where it goes. You just need to find a way to push this inside. Okay, so it's gone in, but I must say it's a bit of a struggle. There should be enough space for you to put the optical, but it's gone in. Okay, so now plug the power cable, okay, in. So this is the power cable, go push it inside. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to plug in the soundbar and the wireless subwoofer, plug it back in. Okay, and plug the TV, plug the TV on. Okay, and the TV is on. And also you need to make sure connect the TV antenna. Okay, so now from this TV, so you need to switch the soundbar on. Okay, and this is the soundbar, it's showing us hello. We need to change it to, then use the input to change it to optical. Okay, optical / HDMI ARC. So now go to the TV, go to the settings for the TV, scroll down to the audio, optical out device. So this is how to hook this up. Okay, I don't want to leave this in one particular place due to copyright issue, but this is the audio. You can also increase the volume. This is the audio. So with this you can increase the volume. What I want to do is to show you how to hook this up to TV via HDMI cable. This soundbar is with audio power 400 watts. I must say, to put this optical cable, you need enough, there's not enough space, so it should really be a bit of gap. Okay, but I managed to put this, okay, with optical cable, so you need a bit of space. Now what I want to show you is how to hook this up. First of all, I need to remove the optical cable, then and hook this up to using HDMI. Okay, so this optical cable out. Okay, so with HDMI cable, to hook it up you need to go to HDMI out TV ARC. Okay, so put the cable in, okay, so it's in. You just need to try to squeeze it in, but I must say there's really should be enough space for you to be able to do this. But the cable is gone in, so it's in HDMI TV ARC. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is to the back of the TV. Okay, turn the TV around. So this end of the cable needs to go to HDMI in to ARC. Okay, so it's in. So the cable is here. Just need to push it inside. HDMI, just you will see HDMI into ARC, the back of the TV. So just gonna turn this around. So plug in the antenna. Now plug in the soundbar. Okay. So from here, the next thing to do is we need to switch on the soundbar. So switch the soundbar on, then select. You will see the button for the for you to mute the audio. After that, the next one is input. Okay, the next one with the cable is input. So select on it to change it to specific. So once you switch the soundbar on, it will show you hello. Okay, then press this button, okay, for you to change it to, this is BT, Bluetooth, LG TV, HDMI, USB. So now it's currently in HDMI / optical. Okay, so now switch the TV on, and you can see HDMI 2 available. This is the audio. And if you, so this is the audio. If you want to know the next thing to do is you need to go to the settings.
Next time. A Soviet shindig.
I want to move this around. I don't want to leave it in one place due to copyright issues. So select the settings for the TV. So select the settings.
Check out the fit on you. And the other thing, I know
once you select the setting, then you need to scroll down to sound. So scroll down to sound. You can see HDMI ARC device. So now this is the, so this soundbar is connected via HDMI, and they're showing us here ARC. Okay, so this is how to hook this up via HDMI ARC. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. So I move this around. You can also increase the volume. You can also select specific mode you want. You can select voice mode. And this is bass blast, AI sound. This is AI sound. This is standard, cinematic. So this is how to hook this up. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.